Alright guys, assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another vlog. It's been a while since I've said that. I hope everyone is doing good and I hope everyone is well. Jummah Mubarak to everyone celebrating. Just wanted to apologize for being MIA for a while. You know, it's been a while since I uploaded last time. Not a while, it's been ages, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. It's been months, I guess, but you know, I've been busy. Life is busy, so I've just been coping with the changes and coping with a lot of things going on in life. But I figured out, you know, this channel is called Life with Zuhair, so you guys are going to be there no matter where we are in life and no matter what stage in life we are. Just wanted to say welcome back and thank you all for being loyal and sticking with me through this. So today is Jummah in Dhaka. We're headed over to Chef's table. We're gonna try something out. Something crossed my mind today. I saw this place called Birria Elias or Birria Elias, right Zab? Whatever it's called. We had this in Brooklyn and I see the same chain in Dhaka, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a taste test and see how it is in comparison to the one in Brooklyn. This is the place I was talking about, Birria Elias. It says Birria Tacos. I've had this in Brooklyn, Williamsburg in New York. Not gonna lie, this is probably my first time in years filming in public in Bangladesh. Feels a little weird. I'm getting a lot of side eyes. I don't know how Rafsan does this, but it feels a little weird. Our food is finally here. We have too much food right now, but let me walk you guys through it. This is the this is the surf and turf tacos. This is the chicken tacos. Both of these are soft shell. This is the hard shell taco. And then we have the birria ramen. This is the nachos, and then we have the beef burrito, the beef sliders. Now the thing is, I didn't ever think we would find food like this, at least something specifically from the streets of New York and Bangladesh. So I'm excited for a taste test. Oh, and this too, let's not forget about this. In Bengali we call this neharir jhol, but in Mexican we call this consomme. This is where the magic happens, right? Let me show you guys the trick. You squeeze a lemon. You take the lemon, you squeeze this shit, and then you fold the tacos up. They gave me gloves. They specifically said eat it with gloves because it's gonna get messy. And then you dip this in like this and take a bite. This is good. This is really good. This is really, really good. I'm gonna take a bite of the burrito too, okay? Classic burrito, beans, rice, or whatever that is. This is a beef burrito. The tacos, I feel like this is my first time having tacos in Bangladesh. This is really good. This is really, really good. I wouldn't say it's, I don't know, I can't compare it to the one in New York, but it's really good. The only reason I can't compare it to the one in New York is because I feel like that one was the quality of the meat was very different compared to the quality of the meat here. We got the hard shell tacos, and if you have a taco, you gotta dip it in the consomme. You dip it in there, and then you take a bite. Alright. This is birria tacos. This is beef. This is straight up beef. This tastes like the one we had in New York. This is amazing. food is good. I've never had Birria ramen before. It's my first time trying it. Let me try it with you guys. Ooh, look at that. I'm not gonna lie, the beef items are amazing. All the beef items we've tried has been a hit. The surf and turf tacos. Alright, let's give this one a shot. By the way, the hard shell tacos is something they started new. They had soft shell, but the hard shell is something they started very new. And this is probably the best one I've had, only because it's beef. You think I should take a sip of this? Yeah? This is good. This is really spicy though. It's pretty good spice. Alright, the last thing on the menu, the beef sliders. I've seen places make this in America. I couldn't have it, of course, because it wasn't halal, so I'm excited to try this. This resembles what bread did we have in America? King Hawaiian bread? The Hawaiian rolls. Alright. I'm gonna give you guys a final verdict after I'm done eating all of this. I'm gonna take... Oh, I forgot about the nachos. The birria nachos. Perfect bite. I'll give you guys a final verdict after I'm done eating all of this delicious food. It's hot right now. Let me enjoy this meal and then give you guys the review. But the beef is exquisite. It's amazing. The beef items are amazing. Like it's top notch. Yo. So huge shout out to Birria LS NYC, BD. They hooked us up with some amazing food. We tried everything, and I will say the beef items are a level above everything else. Beef is just amazing, and it makes sense. Their beef is slow cooked, so you could really tell that they take their sweet time and they do everything to perfect it, and the beef is outstanding. Even the consomme, would add some lemon in there, and oh, chef's kiss. You see, this is how you know the food was good. Look at this. When you create a mess, you know the food was good. Now the problem is we have a lot of leftovers. Zuhair and Anik, they're both maxed out. They didn't want to eat anything else. But for the food review, the beef items were a 9 out of 10. The chicken, I would say 6. It was mid. It was not the best, it was mid. But the beef items, the beef sliders, the beef burrito, this was also like, the birria ramen was also like, you know, but I thought that was nachos, but it was actually a rice bowl. The rice bowl was actually really good. That was also beef. And the hard shell tacos, I'm not a fan of hard shell tacos personally, but I like the soft shell tacos more when you dip it with the consomme. So I think if I got the birria tacos with the consomme, that would be a A1 combination. The beef sliders were a hit. Overall experience, if you come here, go for the beef items. The beef items are better than the other ones. And the taste is very, especially the beef items, they're very, very close to the taste I got in New York City. So it would be a huge recommendation if you guys want to try it. But shout out to Birria Tacos for bringing that taste of New York here. Now someone gotta get the gyro carts from New York straight to the chef's table court right now. That's all. Okay, so guys, thank you again. I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you guys for the support you guys have shown. I have not been able to upload because life has been a little busy. That's what life is about. But here in Life with Zuhair, we deal with adversity like we deal with everything else. We deal with everything with a smile because it's sunnah. Now, we're back and we're better than before now. We're stronger than before. You guys will notice a change in scenario, change in places because life changes every day. I hope I could continue filming. I want to bring you guys to a new experience and showcase my creativity in a way. We tried amazing food. Thank you to Birria LES. By the way, the LES stands for Lower East Side because that's where they started. But yeah, thank you again for sticking by me. Thank you again for showing support. We're back now. I hope you guys continue supporting so that we're able to bring you better content than we've ever filmed before. We have a lot to film. We have a lot of plans. I will continue filming whatever I have plans for. But I would really appreciate if you guys have any recommendations, drop it down below. This is going for everyone. This is for all the audiences located in Bangladesh and all over the world. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I got you guys, inshallah. See you from the next one. Peace. Love you guys. Subscribe, like the video, share the video, and follow me on my Facebook pages. We're starting over again because they took my Facebook page down. So I know we'll be back in no time. Love you guys. Subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends, family, and everyone. Peace.